Okay, welcome everyone to the KubeVirt community meeting for the 1st of October 2025. The meeting notes are in the chat. If you want to add yourself to the attendees, please do. And as I mentioned just before the call, yeah, the agenda and open floor are quite light today. So if anybody has anything to add there, please go ahead now. And while you're doing that, is there anybody new here on the call that would like to introduce themselves? Okay, I recognize all of the names on the call, so I don't think we have anybody new today. So I will move on then just for a quick look at the scheduled check-in. So I'm going to zoom. So we are at the start of October now. I believe the beta was delayed a week, so hopefully we should be expecting the beta today or tomorrow for 1.7. And then the next kind of time window we need to be aware of then is the code freeze, which is set in the schedule for the 29th of October. And then for the CFP check-in. So yeah, again, we have the KubeVirt Summit coming up on October 16th. I believe, I'm not sure when the CFP closed for that, but it's coming up quite close. So I guess the talks are already kind of in place. And yeah, we have KubeCon, Cloud Native Con, North America, and there's a couple of talks here that are interesting as well for KubeVirt people. So anybody who wants to check out those, please do. And then, yeah, continuing on to the agenda, again, very light agenda today. We're missing a few people this week, I suppose. So nothing on the agenda, nothing on the open floor. Does anybody have any pull requests they'd like to draw attention to? No, okay. I'm going to move on then to the mailing list. Just going to have a quick look at the mailing list to see if there's anything here. So yes, we have that was from yesterday. So we've had a release of KubeVirt version 1.6.2. And again, as it's highlighted here in the mail, if you're using 1.6.0 or 1.6.1, it's highly recommended to upgrade to 1.6.2. I think there was a couple of issues with upgrade that were fixed in 1.6.2. So very important that if you are using 1.6.0 or 1.6.1 that you try and upgrade as soon as possible to 1.6.2. And again, nothing really in the bug scrub, nothing added. I think most of the issues were on top of what I was looking at today. And flaky test fixes. I do believe we have one flaky test fix that's in the merge queue at the moment. Let me see. Yeah, so the compute lanes have been quite flaky, and it was due to this issue here. So hopefully this one will get in today and the compute lanes should be looking a lot more stable. It has the priority critical urgent, so hopefully the PR should merge shortly enough. Yeah, and I think that's it from me. If anybody else has anything they want to raise before we close out the meeting. It's a very short one, but again, a lot of people are on holidays.
Hi, Brian. Just letting you know you're not talking to yourself. We're actually
here. Great. Good to hear that's true. Yeah, thanks for joining everybody. Yeah, and hopefully we'll have a busier agenda next week. But till then, I'll see you. Goodbye.
See you, Brian. Thanks.